Is your Hyundai Tucson backup camera flickering or showing a blank screen? Over 70% of these failures are caused by simple wiring fatigue inside the tailgate hinge. Let us break down the diagnostic process to find your specific fault. Start by cleaning the lens and checking your cabin fuse box for any blown circuits. Focus your attention on the tailgate wiring harness, where constant movement creates hidden breaks. If the wiring looks good, you might be dealing with a software glitch or a failed camera module. Simple resets are worth a try, but internal wiring repairs often require professional tools. This chart shows that wiring issues remain the most frequent culprit for Tucson owners. Always disconnect your battery before testing for continuity at the tailgate connector pins. Keep a multimeter and trim tools handy to safely access those tight connector areas. Remember, never force your plastic trim panels when accessing the camera wiring. Check your wiring first and subscribe for more Tucson maintenance tips.